I'd long searched for fulfillment by pushing myself in wild landscapes and enjoying the bonds that are formed through these shared experiences. But for some reason, I'd come to correlate these adventures with far-off lands, foreign peaks, and overseas adventures. COVID forced us all to look closer to home for our leisure time, and the same was true for those of us who love adventure. But instead of a diet adventure just good enough to keep me going until I could travel again, I was amazed to find these wild landscapes at home. I felt like a fool for having overlooked what my home country can offer for so long. But now I can feel smug that these adventures are cheaper, easier to organise, kinder to the planet as I don't have to fly, and above all, just as fulfilling and just as epic.